Hey friends, big news! The government just dropped GST 2.0 and trust me, this is not some boring budget update. This one actually changes the prices of things we use every single day. From your morning shampoo to your evening namkeen to the AC you switch on in this crazy heat, even tractors and school notebooks, everything's got new tax rates. So let's go category by category. I'll show you what the GST was before, what it is now, and most importantly, what it means for you and me. Stick around till the end because the insurance section and the car section will actually shock you. So let's start with the basics, the stuff we literally can't live without. Hair oil, shampoo, toothpaste, soap, brushes, shaving cream. It was earlier 18% and now it has come down to 5%. That's a 6% drop. Means your bathroom kit is finally a little kinder to your wallet, right? Butter, ghee, cheese, dairy spreads, earlier it was 12%, now it is just 5%. Breakfast just got cheaper. Finally some good news with your morning parathas, right? Namkeen, bhujia, mixtures from 12% to 5%. And most importantly, utensils from 18% it has dropped to 12%. Feeding bottles, napkins, diapers, etc. It was earlier 12%, now it has come down to 5%. Sewing machines and parts, earlier it was 12%, now it has come down to 5%. Home essentials have become more affordable across the board. Now this one's really important. Healthcare bills are a big worry for Indian families, right? So any relief here will really matter. Individual health and life insurance was earlier 18%, right, GST, and now it is zero, that is nil, no tax at all. I think this is the kind of relief middle class families were waiting for. Thermometers, medical grade oxygen, diagnostic kits, glucometers, test strips from 12% have come down to 5%. These are the things you can't avoid when you fall sick, right? So cheaper medical supplies, less stress when you are already stressed. Affordable education. Parents, you're going to like this one. School supplies just became lighter on the pocket. Maps, charts, globes, pencils, sharpeners, crayons, notebooks. Earlier it was 12% and now it is zero. Erasers were at 5% and now no tax at all. Back to school shopping is no longer a mini financial shock. That's a win for every household with kids. Let's talk about the backbone of India, which is farmers. And here, GST 2.0 has given some great real relief. Tractor tires and parts from 18%, they have come down to 12%. Tractors in general, if you talk, 12% it has come down to 5%. Earlier it was 12%, now it has come down to 5%. Biopesticides, micronutrients, drip irrigation, sprinklers, farm machines. On this, earlier the GST was 12% and now it has come down to 5%. So, the cost of running a farm is now lower. For farmers, this is not just about saving money, it's about making farming a bit more sustainable. Alright car lovers, listen up. This is where things get interesting. Petrol hybrid, LPG, CNG cars not exceeding 1200cc engine and 4000mm length. Earlier, GST was 28% plus some compensation cess was there from 1% to 22%. Now that has come down to 18% plus zero compensation cess, right? So small cars just became more affordable. Huge news for middle class buyers. For diesel and diesel hybrid cars not exceeding 1500cc and 4000mm, from 28% it has come down to 18% with no compensation cess. Three-wheeled cars, motorcycles, transport vehicles, they've come down from 28% to 18%. Basically, Aam Aadmi vehicles are cheaper now. But before you get too excited, I'll tell you about the luxury cars, SUV and MUVs. On that, the GST is 40%. And finally, the gadgets, appliances we all dream of upgrading, air conditioners, TVs, monitors, projectors. Earlier, the GST was 28% and now it has come down to 18%. Dishwashers, they were at 28% earlier, it come down to 18%. If you've been thinking of buying a new one, now's the good time. So friends, that's the GST 2.0 in plain simple language. The big takeaway, the government has cut taxes on the things we actually use daily. essentials, school supplies, healthcare, farming, and small cars. Sure, for the common man, this GST 2.0 reform is a real step towards affordability. If you found this information useful, do give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe to the channel for more simple business and finance explainer videos. On Policy Bazaar, term insurance starts at just 699 rupees per month. You can get coverage up to crores, plus there's up to 15% discount. And since it's Policy Bazaar, you're choosing from the most trusted insurance partners. Health insurance. On Policy Bazaar, health insurance is super affordable too. Premiums start at around 400 rupees to 500 rupees a month. Coverage goes up to crores and you get 30-minute claim support. Again, all with India's most trusted insurance partners. This is Keshav Puri signing off, and remember, saving even 5% here and there might look small today, but over time, it really adds up. Catch you in the next video really soon.
Boss Wallah. Be the boss.